All right, Lydia, you're up. You got an Italian one.
I got it.
Oh, oh, it's like don't make a mountain out of a molehill. It's like don't make an elephant out of a fly.
That's,
Right.
that's perfect. Why don't you pronounce it in Italian?
Okay, I'm sorry. Non far d'una mosca un elefante.
That's right.
Perfect.
Very good.
Don't make an elephant out of a mosquito. Don't make a mountain out of a molehill. Similar one we
Very
had.
good.
All righty. Patty, you got an Italian one.
Meglio un uovo oggi che una gallina domani.
Okay.
Oh, I got it.
Meglio un uovo oggi che una gallina domani. What do you think that means, Patty?
Better an egg today than a chicken tomorrow.
Give her a chance. Give her a chance. Meglio un uovo.
I don't. No, I'm lost on this one.
Meglio un uovo is an egg. So better an
I
egg.
would say egg.
Okay. Better an egg.
Yeah,
Oggi. What's oggi?
I don't know that one.
Okay. So better an egg today than something domani. What's domani?
Banana.
Tomorrow. So better an egg today than a gallina is a hen tomorrow. So an egg today is better than a hen tomorrow. So
That
that's
makes
like a bird in the hand is worth
Oh.
two in the bush. Kind of thing. All righty. So we're back to Tony. You got an Italian one?
Yeesh. Whatever it is, it looks important because everything is, all the words are capitalized.
Yeah, that's the way I
Let's see.
copied it over, but
La gatta, frettolosa, figli, ciechi. The cat,
la gatta frettolosa fa I figli ciechi,
so it's the cat, right?
right?
Um,
Frettolosa, what do you think that could mean?
I haven't a clue.
That hurries or
That rushes.
rushes, yep.
Makes,
Figli,
I don't know.
that's like kitten. Well, it would be kittens for the cat, but sons, offspring. Ciechi
Fai I figli ciechi.
is blind.
Children.
So the hurried cat makes blind kittens. So kind of like haste makes waste.
Oh, okay.
There's a Neapolitan saying that goes, "A gatta per fare impressa ha fatti figli ciechi."
Okay.
It's the same exact Italian saying, but in Neapolitan it's a little different.
With the diet with the Neapolitan words,
Yeah. So
right?
you take your
Haste
time.
makes waste.
That's right. Take your time and everything else.
All righty.
You know, in Italian, I didn't know if there was an Italian idiomatic sentence like that. I knew it in a Neapolitan, but I didn't know it in Italian. So I'm learning something. You see, Larry?
Yeah, perfect, perfect. All right, so Lydia, you got an Italian one?
Colto con le mani nel sacco.
Yeah, Colto con le
Something.
mani nel sacco.
Something with your hands in the sack.
Right.
The bag, but what is colto? Colto is not a word I know.
Colto's like caught with his hands in the bag,
Red-handed.
like caught red-handed.